Hi there, this is Pete Miller here from speakerscoach.com. This video is about the demise of the handshake. Gone. Grimy, grubby, social distancing won't allow it. I have an alternative, it's called the Y. And in India they say namaste, in Thailand they say sawadee, but it's non-physical, it's non-threatening, it's elegant, it's dignified. In Thailand they actually say hello, goodbye and thank you. So it's kind of like a universal thing, but it's not religious. There is no religious connotations to it. Like with the Muslims, they say hello and they put their hand on their heart, which is very beautiful, but it's particularly to the Islam religion. This is global. If you look at Tim Cook from Apple, when he presents on stage, he's going like this all the time. So he walks on stage and he'll say, and it's a global handshake. He's saying with his body, with his hands, he's saying hello and welcome and thank you for making me feel welcome with your applause. And I recommend you as a presenter to do the same thing, the Y. In Thailand they sort of bow their head and it's all to do, up there is the monk, and you don't need to do that, it's just hi there. And it's a very beautiful way, a simple kind of way to say hello. And I recommend this, you introduce this on your walk on stage and just do as Tim Cook does, and I'm sure you'll get a lovely surprise, but in your own life, particularly in business. With mates, you know, and all that sort of, the handshake might still be okay, but not in business. And you walk into a business meeting and you say, hello everybody, with that, that's good enough. My name's Pete Miller from speakerscoach.com. We're going to see you on stage. Bye for now.